Hi boys and girls, today we're going to learn about the sight word to. T-O. T-O. To. First we're going to read a story that has the sight word to in it. Even in our title we see the word to. Our title is We Like to Play. The author, that is who the story is written by, is Ellen Tarlow. So Ellen Tarlow is the author, and she wrote the words in the story. It's illustrated by Luisa D'Augusta, and Luisa D'Augusta is the illustrator. That means she drew the pictures in the story. So we know our title is We Like to Play, and we see our friends playing on a seesaw. And there's our title page. Okay, our sight word that we're working on is to, but there are a lot of other sight words in these books. So if you are able to read along with me as I read, go ahead and read along. If you're not sure what a word is, just listen, okay? What do you like to do? I like to draw. What do you like to do? I like to dig. And she's digging. It looks like she's planting some flowers. Oh, so it's the same little boy. If you notice, he likes to draw, and then he's going and he's asking his friends what they like to do. And he's carrying his drawing around with him. What do you like to do? I like to pull. So he's pulling his wagon full of sand. What do you like to do? I like to push. What do you like to do? I like to pour. What do you like to do? I like to paint. So I wonder what they're doing in this story. Oh, wow. What do we? Oh, they say we now because they are all together. So it's not just asking what do you like to do. It's what do we like to do. We like to play. That's pretty neat. So in the story, the things that they were doing, he's drawing. If you notice in his drawing, it's the plans for the playground. He's got the sandbox and the tire swing and the slide and the seesaw over here. And so our friend here was planting the flowers. And this friend was bringing the sand. This friend was bringing other supplies that they needed. She was pouring the sand into the sandbox. And he was painting the seesaw. And back here I see a man helping to hang the rope for the tire swing. And then when they're finished, they all get to play. The end. word was to. T-O. I'm going to take a letter away and then put it back. And I want you to tell me what letter is missing. I want it to say to. I have a T. What is missing? If you said O, you are correct. Try one more time. I want to spell the word to, but all I have is an O. What letter is missing? Good. If you said T, you are correct. It needs the T to say to.